Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to see all passwords on Google account. Actually it's very easy and quick, but you need to watch this video until the end so you won't skip any important steps. So actually there are two different ways how you can do that. So the first one is you can open Google Chrome application if you have this application. So then at the top right corner you need to make sure you logged in your account. And then after logging in your account, at the bottom right you need to click on the three dots button, here it is, and then you need to scroll to the left this list of options and then find password manager, here it is, and then you need to enter your password, and after that you will see all your saved passwords. You can click on any of that options and delete it or change it, do whatever you want. So the other way how you can do that is to open any other browser. For example, it can be Safari browser, then open Google Chrome here, google.com, and then at the top right click on your profile image button, then click on manage your Google account button under your name, here it is. After that you need to wait a little bit, then scroll this list of options to the left and find security, here it is. Then scroll down and find password manager here, and then click on the manage passwords again. And then you will see all your saved passwords. And that's all, and that's how to see all passwords on Google account. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe the channel. Thank you.